They don't want to see us fail. They want to see us succeed.
John Kennedy is a resident of the Panama City Community Release Center. He's been impressed with the facility, especially the staff.
They ain't just staff. They ain't here just to collect a check. They're here trying to do something different, if you allow them to.
In recent times, staff needed to get creative in how they provided programming opportunities to the residents, utilizing any space available, including the dining area and even offices. But Center Director Tracy Price felt the men deserved more.
So we walked around the center and we looked at areas that we could create a programming space. We walked back here, we had a big building just full of stuff.
The building was a small warehouse that bore no resemblance to a classroom. It took a little imagination to see its potential.
I know Mr. Jordan, the operations supervisor, he put his little heart and soul out here into reworking this building. That means they had to run new wires through the ceilings, put in all of the stuff for the internet, fix the plumbing. They had to do a lot of work out here.
The repurposed building is now a beautiful programming area, the facility named the Restore Center.
Because we're restoring these men every day with what we do.
The guys like being in here, even when we're not doing programs, they come in here, they ask us a bunch of questions, come and chat with us, just talk about, day-to-day stuff.
I have 2 awesome instructors. These young ladies have really taken programming here at Panama City to the next level. They ensure the guys have what they need. They ensure growth. They ensure that the guys have access to be able to use the computers, that they're able to do job searches, they're able to look for apartments, they're able to get the OSHA 10 training, they're able to do serve safe training on these computers.
I'm excited to come to work every day. I'm excited to see what I can get done, who I can help, what we can accomplish today.
We try really hard to put ourselves out there for these men who come in and let them know that they've got somebody rooting for them. So we try to encourage them the best that we can, and living by that Bionic culture has really helped us stay true to who we are, not just as individuals, but also as MTC as a whole.
MTC has made a lasting impression on John Kennedy. Before coming to the Panama City Community Release Center, led by Tracy Price, he was at the Graceville Correctional Facility, led by Warden Scott Middlebrooks.
Mr. Middlebrook, Ms. Price, the ones that run these places, they're cut from a different cloth than other facilities. They see past other things that most people don't see past. And that's a blessing right there.